The reason I got this dehumidifier was because of its compact size. I plan to use it in my RV. I have fully tested it in my home and it works great. It has a pretty good size reservoir and it's easy to take out and put back in. It has the buttons across the top, which are easy to read and easy to use. On the far right, you have your button to turn it on. When it comes on, it starts cycling through all the different colors. And if you want a color, when it gets to that color, you would push this button here. I don't know if I have it in the frame. There we go, right there. And it would stay on that color. If you don't want any color, push it again and it's off. So. Well, I guess we're not going to have any color. There we go. So, up here you have 2 fan speeds, and this would operate your fan, and this is on high, and then that would be your sleep mode, and you can hear the motor go down. Over here is your timer, and you can select how long you would want it on just by pushing the button and going through the different times or off. If you want, when it's full, this light will come on and the machine will beep so you can empty it. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.
Alrighty, so I've had the BREEZOME dehumidifier in my car overnight, and you can see that much water in there. Let's see how big this is. Yeah, it leaks in my car, and I've been wanting to put a dehumidifier in here and just not had a good enough one, and I'm really shocked. This has given me this much water in such a short amount of time. So basically, roughly 12 hours worth of dehumidifier time. It's pretty wild. This definitely works pretty good. I've got other dehumidifiers that don't pull this much. I mean, this has got, I believe, a dual condenser system. Yeah, I think that's what it said. Yeah, it's just stuck in the back of my car. I know it's a mess in here, but I'm trying to get this water out. Trying to keep Joe's apartment from continuing, if you know what I mean. So, this is awesome. So, keep using this till it hardly pulls anything. So, goodbye smells, goodbye unwanted tenants. Awesome.
Good morning, Angela here. Christmas is over. There's a lot of humidity here in North Central Florida, and I got a new dehumidifier, which is a must here where I live. It's beautiful, it's compact, and I put it together in a jiffy. We will have it running and see how well it does, but it looks great. Here we have what came in the box for the dehumidifier, and I'm going to set it up and see how it works. Here you have it. You see it's got a little blue light, and there goes my dovey. So let's see how it works.
is a super quiet little dehumidifier. I have this running in a laundry room where the current humidity is only 40%, but it's still managing to pull some water out of the air. Can move this to the quiet mode, and you'll notice it's even quieter. That light goes off, and it's exceptionally quiet.
Just the light. Put the light on.